The installation of ESD flooring tiles is a common practice to mitigate risks from electrostatic discharge in industrial environments, especially those with sensitive electronic components. Here are several real-world cases where static tiles have been successfully implemented in industrial applications. 1. An electronics manufacturer. The company faced challenges with product defects due to static electricity during assembly processes. To address this, they installed low body voltage ESD vinyl tiles throughout their production floors to help control static buildup on workers and equipment, significantly reducing the number of defects. 2. An automotive parts manufacturer. In their assembly lines, sensitive electronic components were frequently damaged by ESD, resulting in costly downtime. The company installed ESD control tiles in areas handling electronic assemblies and saw a significant reduction in static discharge-related equipment failures. The static flooring also met ESD control regulatory compliance, maintaining safety standards in the facility. 3. A major pharmaceutical company. To protect sensitive equipment and ensure product integrity, the pharmaceutical company installed conductive tiles in their clean rooms and production areas. These ESD tiles were selected for their low TVOC emissions and ease of cleaning. The installation improved air quality and managed static electricity, enhancing operational efficiency and compliance with contamination control regulations. 4. A data center. In the data center, the company was concerned about static electricity potentially damaging sensitive IT equipment. They chose to install anti-static flooring throughout the server rooms and pathways where technicians frequently work. The static control flooring provided an effective solution for static control, leading to fewer equipment failures and maintenance issues. 5. A telecommunications equipment factory. The factory experienced ongoing issues with static electricity affecting their production lines. They opted to replace their existing flooring with high-quality ESD PVC tiles to combat this problem. The installation of ESD flooring led to a noticeable decrease in static-related disruptions, improving the overall efficiency of the production lines.